biggest tip that I've been giving, especially in the last 4 years, is for students to involve their families in their process. Maybe pick one day a week where they sit down and talk about where they are in the process, what new news they have, so that it doesn't kind of consume their whole day every day for months on end. That's when people start to get a little edgy and kind of at each other about it. The other thing that I would remind people, and I am a parent myself, is that parents need to kind of be a co-pilot on this rather than the driver. They're more than welcome to call and ask us questions. We're happy to help them along the way, but students really need to lead this charge. And so having them log into their portal to make sure that we have everything, that they're calling our office or emailing, is super important. If a student wants to come to our campus, we need to know that they want to be here. So advocating for themselves is going to be huge on our campus. It is a medium-sized school, and so if they can't self-advocate, it's going to be really tough for them during the semester when your parents can't come down and talk to a professor about a grade or, help them get tutoring at the library. So it's really important for them to kind of lead the charge and have their parent or guardian there as support.